Looking rich can be a desirable goal for many men. Whether you are trying to impress someone in a social or professional setting, or simply want to boost your own confidence and self-esteem, there are a variety of tips and tricks that can help you achieve a more polished and sophisticated appearance. From investing in high-quality clothing and grooming products to pay attention to small details and refining your walking and talking, there are many ways to enhance your overall image and project an image of wealth and success. In this video, we will explore the top tips for men to look rich so that you can create a more impressive and impactful personal brand. Hello everyone, and welcome to Luxe Rank. Today we are going to share the best tips for men to look richer. Whether you are trying to impress someone or just want to look good, these tips will help you elevate your style game and make you look like $1,000,000. But before we get into that, be sure to subscribe to this newly born channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new interesting and helpful video. Let's get right into the video. Tip number 1. Invest in high-quality clothing. Investing in high-quality clothing is the first step to looking rich. Wearing high-quality clothing can also help to convey a sense of personal style and taste, which is often associated with people who have a higher level of education and cultural awareness. This can make the person appear more cultured and sophisticated, which can contribute to the perception that they are wealthy and successful. Stick to classic pieces like blazers, dress shirts, and chinos that will never go out of style. Make sure to choose fabrics that feel and look expensive, such as wool, cashmere, and silk. When it comes to accessories, invest in a high-quality watch and a leather belt. Tip number 2. Tailor your clothes. No matter how expensive your clothes are, if they don't fit properly, they won't look good on you. When clothes are tailored to fit properly, they tend to be more comfortable to wear. This can make you feel more confident and at ease, which can be perceived by others as a sign of wealth and success. People who are comfortable in their own skin tend to exude a sense of calm and poise that is often associated with success and financial stability. Tailored clothes can also help to enhance your personal style and taste, which can be a sign of sophistication and refinement. When clothes fit properly, they tend to look more elegant and polished, which can give the impression that you have a higher level of education and cultural awareness. This can be attractive to others who may perceive you as being someone who is cultured and successful. Get your clothes tailored to fit you perfectly. This will make you look polished and put together. Tip number 3. Accessorize wisely. Accessories can make or break your outfit. Invest in a few high-quality accessories like a leather briefcase or a designer wallet. But don't overdo it. Avoid wearing too much jewelry or wearing flashy logos. Stick to understated and timeless pieces. You don't have to look cool, you have to look decent and confident. Tip number 4. Body grooming. Good grooming is essential to looking rich. Invest in a good haircut and grooming products like cologne and skincare. Good grooming habits can help to ensure your physical appearance, making you more attractive and well put together. This can be particularly important in social or professional situations, where you're looking your best can be a key factor in making a good impression. By taking care of your hair, skin, and nails, you can create a polished and sophisticated appearance that is often associated with wealth and success. Body grooming can also help to boost your self-confidence, which can be an attractive quality to others. When you feel good about your appearance, you are more likely to carry yourself with confidence and poise, which can be perceived as a sign of financial stability and success. People who are comfortable in their own skin tend to exude a sense of calm and self-assuredness that is often associated with wealthy and successful individuals. Keep your facial hair neat and tidy, and always make sure your nails are clean and trimmed. Tip number 5. Walking and talking. The devil is in this. The way you walk can convey confidence and self-assuredness, which are often associated with financial success. When you walk with purpose and poise, you exude a sense of confidence and self-assurance that can be perceived as a sign of wealth and success. In addition, the way you talk can also impact the perception of others regarding your financial status. Speaking with a clear and confident voice, using proper grammar and enunciation, can give the impression that you are well educated and cultured, which are often associated with wealth and success. By demonstrating your mastery of language and communication, you can create a perception of competence and intelligence that can be attractive to others. So, there you have it, folks. These are the best tips for men to look richer and more decent. Remember, looking rich isn't about flaunting your wealth or wearing flashy logos. It's about investing in high-quality pieces, paying attention to details, and exuding confidence. Follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to looking like someone who makes $1 million each day. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful for you, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you can get notified whenever we upload another amazing video. I'll see you in the next one.